So how's it going, guys? I am Adnan here, back to another video. Today I'm actually giving you a tutorial about how to download Fortnite. Yeah, since many times Fortnite has been released but not in India. It's released on iOS but not in Android. As you can search in Android, Fortnite will not come. Go here, always say Fortnite Battle Royale by Epic Games is not available on Google Play. Actually, it's available on Samsung user. But how you can download it? So if you're a Samsung user or a specific new latest mobile user, you actually have been got the Fortnite. If it doesn't, just watch this video. If you're a Samsung user or Fortnite fan, you can get the app by the Galaxy app. I hope you get the app from your phone only. If you didn't get, update your device. So here you got the Galaxy apps, click on it, then go to the game, get back. As you can see, Fortnite here. So it's not a Fortnite actual game, it's a Fortnite installer. When you download the installer, you get the game. Now after the game downloaded, you can download the it's all about 1.8 GB. Or if you don't find the game here, you can search here Fortnite installer. More, there you go. Go to Fortnite installer, hit the download button, and you get it. The second method I'm going to show you is in Google Chrome. So follow me with Google Chrome, search on the games platform. After that, there are too many games here. If you don't get here the download, just click this right Fortnite here. There you go. So we get that here. The Android symbol you can get, click on it. Here are the two options I'm going to give you. I'm a Samsung user, so I can click on Samsung one. If you have to do Samsung user, click on just Epic Games. Get here, you can get Fortnite installer still here. So now this one, you get here. If you're a Samsung user, you have to follow some details. You didn't get your phone J7. I don't know. You can try download J7. But you can get by it. And here's the compatibility. Galaxy S7, S7 Edge, S8, S8 Plus, S9, Note 8, Note 9, Tab S3, S4, Google Pixel, Asus, Essential, PH1, UI. Then you can get Nokia, OnePlus 5, OnePlus 5T6. And every single phone here is, as you can see, get it. My Lenovo, but it's not capable for J series. As you can see, no name which are not applied here, it will not there. So after you have downloaded the Fortnite installer from the Galaxy app or from the Epic Games, you found this we started download 36 MB Fortnite application, and it will just look like this. When you open the application, the game will start, but it will need a download of 1.8 GB, which is the data of the game. After the download, you have to just sign in and enjoy. Video is just about like that, nothing else is here. So I will just cancel it. I don't need actually. So enjoy, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. It's done.